Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 13 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which state has been declared state of environmental emergency? Australia, Mauritius, China, Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is option B, Mauritius. Recently, Mauritius has been declared state of environmental emergency due to leaking of the tons of the fuel into the surrounding of the water in the island. Mauritius recently declared the state of environmental emergency. Okay, the prime minister here is Pravin Jugnauth. Pravin Jugnauth is the prime minister here, and Prithviraj Singh Rupan is the president of Mauritius. Okay, our second question was, which IIT has developed indigenous seed ball? The correct answer here is IIT Kanpur. Option A is correct here. The seed ball is developed by IIT Kanpur. The seed ball are comprised of indigenous variety of the seed of the compost and clay. And the very important point here is that there is no need for digging pits for planting the sapling. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Youth Day is celebrated? 11th August, 12th August, 13th August, 14th August. The correct answer here is option B, 12th August. On 12th August, International Youth Day is celebrated. This day is celebrated to recognize the efforts are put in by the youth for betterment of the society. World International Youth Day is celebrated. Okay, the theme of the 2020 is Youth Engagement for Global Action. Youth Engagement for Global Action is the theme of International Youth Day. Okay, and it is celebrated on 12th August. Remember it that the National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, and International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th August. This is the basic difference between International Youth Day and National Youth Day. International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th August and National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January, on the birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekananda. Okay, I hope you got the difference also. Next question. Which city become first city in India to have female icon on traffic signal? Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bhubaneswar. The correct answer here is Mumbai. Option A is correct here. Mumbai's Dadar has become the first city in India to have women's symbol on traffic signal or signage. Okay, you can see the image of the signal and traffic signal here. A forward step towards women empowerment also. And Mumbai become the first city in India to have the female icon on traffic signal. Mumbai is the capital of the Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of the Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray is the Chief Minister, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the Governor of Mumbai. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which aerospace successfully test fired a upper stage rocket engine? Raman, SpaceX, ISRO, Skyroot. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Skyroot. Option C is correct here, Skyroot. Skyroot Aerospace, a space tech startup, has successfully test fired an upper stage rocket engine named Raman. Okay, with this, Skyroot become the first Indian private company to exhibit the potential to build a homegrown rocket engine called Raman. The name is give the famous mathematician C.V. Raman. Okay, and so the name of the rocket engine is Raman, and it is developed by Skyroot, a Indian private company. Okay, and the first Indian private company to successfully launched test fired the upper stage rocket engine. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Indra Van Mitan योजना started in which state? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Chhattisgarh. Option A is correct here. Indira Van Mitan Yojana started in Chhattisgarh recently now. And the Chhattisgarh government has launched the Indira Van Mitan Yojana. The new scheme will aim to make the forest dwellers of the state for the self-reliant. It is for the employment of the youth, and the Indira Van Mitan Yojana is launched. Chhattisgarh is in news. The capital is Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel, and Governor is Anusuya Uki. Anusuya Uki is the Governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay, next question. Mukhyamantri Kisan Sahaya Yojana started in which state? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Assam. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option B is correct here. Gujarat government recently announced the Mukhyamantri Kisan Sahaya Yojana. This Yojana announced for the current Kharif session's farmer. Okay, Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devvrat is the Governor of Gujarat. Okay, next question. Who launched India's first Android POS pocket device? PhonePe, GPay, Google Pay, Paytm. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Paytm. Option C is correct here. Recently, Paytm launched India's first pocket Android POS. The abbreviation of the POS is point of sale device. Okay, point of sale device, and it is launched by recently Paytm. Okay, and Paytm is in news. Paytm is founded in 2010, and the headquarters is situated in Noida, UP. On Noida, you can see the headquarters. And Vijay Shekhar Sharma is the founder of Paytm. Okay, Vijay Shekhar Sharma is the founder of Paytm. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country's Prime Minister Hassan Dev resigned recently? Lebanon, UAE, Iceland, Spain. The correct answer here is Lebanon. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Prime Minister Hassan Dev and his entire government has resigned in the wake of the major blast in Beirut. Okay, I want to mention here that in Lebanon, a massive explosion took place in the Beirut, in the capital of the Lebanon, on 4th August. On 4th August, a massive blast is seen in the Lebanon. The capital is Beirut, due to the ammonium nitrate. Approximately 2,750 ton ammonium nitrate explosive blast, and various death and injuries see in the Beirut. So the PM Hassan Dev and his government resigned recently. Okay, next question. Who is observing Cleanliness Week to mark Independence Day? Indian Railways, Indian Army, ISRO. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Indian Railway. Indian Railway is observing Cleanliness Week from August 10 to mark Independence Day. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Question number 9. Who were declared winner of the Asian College of Journalism Award 2019? Nitin Sethi, Shiv Sahaya Singh. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. The journalist Nitin Sethi and Shiv Sahaya Singh were declared winner of the Asian College of Journalism ACJ, Asian College of Journalism Award 2019 for the investigative journalism. So you have to learn this question. They got the Asian College of Journalism Award 2019. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who will launch a platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest? Narendra Modi, Nirmala Sitharaman, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option A is correct here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been rolled out the platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest. Okay, in this the new platform will support for the direct tax, and the reform will also reward the honest taxpayer. In this scheme, the honest taxpayer also got the reward from the government. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, which country become first country to register a COVID-19 vaccine? Our second question is, Alexander Lukashenko has won the presidential election of which country? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a connecting link between you and educational wing will be established. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And very important point is, those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. And please try to share more and more. Thereby many students got help. Thank you.